The problem that many of these coastal important bird sites and biodiversity areas are being encroached upon. Many are being cut down and destroyed. They're being cut down by land use change, residential development, sand mining, reclamation, and probably the biggest cause is aquaculture, which are farms that are grown, that are created along the seashore. They knock down mangrove forests and create this aquaculture, which are farms that produce fish and in particular shrimp. This reclamation and degradation of the mangroves, the salt marshes, the mudflats, and the seagrass beds create habitat loss for these migrating waterbird species.